So this is $500 and this money was made from self-clicking. So what I'm going to be doing in this video is I'm going to be walking you through step by step how to make money like this self-clicking high-paying CPA offers with any device. So this will work for you even though you have a phone, a laptop or a tablet, and also you're going to be able to do this strategy no matter where you live in the world. So with that said, I'm going to go ahead and refresh this so you know this is real money right here and not some sort of BS payment. Okay, I'm going to click on the reload button. And as you can see right here, everything is still intact. I still have over $500 here in my today's revenue. So with all of that said, I'm going to jump right into the video and show you step by step how everything is done. So first off, you want to head over to CPA Grip. So once you're here, you want to very easily click on register. And once you click on register, it's going to redirect you straight to this page. So go ahead and fill out the forms. Okay, so once you fill out the forms, you're going to have your account. And once you have your account, proceed by logging in. And immediately you log in, your new account is going to look something like this. Now it's going to be all zero because obviously it's a new account. Okay, so pay close attention so you understand exactly how to self-click higher paying CPA offers. So once you are on your dashboard, all you have to do is very simple. Go ahead and click on offer tools, and once you click on offer tools, go ahead and click on my offer, and that will redirect you straight to the offers section of CPA Grip. Okay, so once you are here, you want to go ahead and set up a little settings. Okay, so basically this is the settings that you need to set if you want to find high paying CPA offers. So pay close attention. So what you want to do is very simple. Go ahead and click on this drop down arrow. I want to put it on all the countries. Put it on all the countries, and once you put it on that, it's going to load up all the offers inside of the CPA Grip. Okay, and once it's done loading, it's going to provide you with all these offers. Okay, so next thing you want to do is very simple. Scroll all the way up. I want to set the categories on email/zip submit. Okay, because that one is easier to self click. Okay, so basically these are the offers right here. So these offers pays $2, $1, and some even pays 17 cents. Okay, so a trick that I normally use to find higher paying offers is to come over to this payout section and click on this upward facing arrow right here. Okay, so once I click on that, what's going to happen is it's going to load up the best paying offers. Okay, so as you can see right here, it no longer has chump change. Now it has $10, $4, $4, and it goes on and on and on. So this trick is what I use to find the best paying offers. Okay, and when you have the best paying offers, it's super easy for you to make up to $500 to $1,000 self-clicking. Okay, this is a powerful method that I use to make a bunch of money. So pay close attention as I teach you exactly step by step how to do this, even though you have a phone or whatever device you have. Okay, so now you have the offers. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and grab your links for all these offers. Okay, so very easily click on the offer, and once you click on it, it's going to obviously redirect you to the preview page. And once you are on the preview page, very easily copy your links for all those offers. Okay, so I'm going to copy this link, click on copy link, and I'm going to paste that on a notepad right here, and I want to label this. So the label is get your £50 gift card. I'm going to copy that, and I'm going to go ahead and paste that right here. Okay, I want to go ahead and grab another offer. So this is just one offer. We have the link and we have the label. Now we have this offer. We're going to go ahead and find another offer. So we're going to go ahead and close this out, click on the second offer. This is a Germany offer. I'm going to click on that, and we're going to go ahead and copy this offer. Okay, paste this, and we want to go ahead and grab the title, and let's paste this in here. Okay, I recommend you actually label the country so it's going to be very easy for you to self-click this offer. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and click on this and copy the country right here. Okay, I want to paste that in here, open bracket, paste that, and close bracket. Next, I want to go ahead and find other offers. I want to close this out and close this out. So I'm going to click on this offer. I want to go ahead and copy the link, and I want to paste that in here, paste, and I want to go ahead and copy the title of these offers. Now keep in mind, if you want to translate this, you can very easily do that by right clicking and clicking on translate to English, and what that will do is going to actually translate what is on this page. It's super easy to translate. I just want to get that across so you know that this is very easy to do. You're not going to have any problems even though you don't understand the language that's written on the pages. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and copy the title right here, and I'm going to paste that in. And next, I want to open bracket, grab the country of the offer right here, which is Sweden, and we want to go ahead and paste that in here and close bracket. Okay, so basically you want to go ahead and do this for multiple offers. Okay, there's a lot of offers right here. Okay, so you're not running out of offers anytime soon. Now I want you to pay close attention to something. If I go ahead and click on one of these offers right here, you see that this offer is for Apple iOS. They say this offer is only allowed on Apple iOS in Sweden, which means if you go out there and start self-clicking this offer on a desktop fingerprint, you're not going gonna make any money. Okay, I see a lot of people come to the comment section and post something like, this doesn't work, you don't make any money and all that stuff. That's because you're doing it wrong. Okay, you can't use a desktop fingerprint and self-click an iOS offer. Okay, it just doesn't work like that. Okay, it's something important that you have to follow. So with all of that being said, I'm going to proceed with the video. So once you have all of your offers inside of your notepad, you want to move over to the next step, and the next step is to actually start building a bridge page. Okay, it's important you use a bridge page, so it's going to be difficult for CPA grip to track your clicks. Okay, so to build the bridge page, we're going to be using Google Sites. Okay, so head over to sites.google.com. Now you might be wondering, well, can you build pages on your phone? The answer is yes, you can build pages on your phone. Now I'm going to show you something real quick. If I pull up my phone right here,
you see that I can very easily put these pages together. Now if I go ahead and open up Chrome right here, and once I open up Chrome, I'm going to go ahead and search for sites.google.com and click on enter. Now it's going to show me a message telling me that to create or edit a site, go to Google Sites on your desktop. Don't freak out, you can as well do this with your phone. All you have to do is to click on this upward facing arrow on the top right hand corner, and once you click on that, scroll up and you want to click on desktop site. And once you click on desktop site, what's going to happen is it's going to change your display to a desktop display. That way you can very easily create and modify your site. Now I'm going to hop back on my computer and I'm going to show you step by step how to build this site.
So I'm back on my computer and I'm going to proceed by building an actual site. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and click on the big plus button right here, and it's going to redirect me straight to my template. Okay, so once I'm on my template, I'm going to go ahead and click on this trash icon because we need a blank page. Okay, I'm going to click on that, and right here we're going to have a blank template. Okay, so after that I'm going to double click on test, and it's going to provide me with the test box. Next, I'm going to grab all my tests from my notepad and I want to go ahead and paste that in here. Keep in mind, if you want to guarantee your money when you're self-clicking offers like this, you want to make sure you actually label this with their specific devices. Okay, so for that you might want to head back to CPA grip. So now I have all of my offers right here. I want to go ahead and make this link active. Okay, so to do that, I want to highlight, click on this link icon, and it's going to make the link clickable. So I'm going to do the same thing for the rest of the offers. After that, I want to go ahead and give my site a name. Okay, so for the name, I want to go ahead and name this giveaway site. Okay, after that, I want to proceed by publishing. Okay, we don't need anything fancy, we're just going to go ahead and publish this by clicking on publish on the top, and once you click on that, it's going to provide us with this page. Okay, so we can be like give away GGY, and that is actually available. Okay, in your case, if your web address is not available, you can add a bunch of random letters on the back, or you can add random numbers. So once we have the web address, I want to go ahead and click on publish, and it's going to actually publish our site like always. Now I want to go ahead and grab my link right here, and I want to proceed to the next step. Now once you have your link, the next step is actually to go anonymous. Now to go anonymous, you want to click on the second link down in the description, or you want to head over to this site right here called gologin.com, and once you are here, you want to very easily sign up for an account. Now to sign up for an account, all you have to do is very simple. Go ahead and click on sign in on the top, and once you click on that, it's going to redirect you straight to this page. Once you are on this page, you want to go ahead and click on sign up below here, and once you click on that, it's going to redirect you straight to the sign up page. Now once you are on the sign up page, you get the option to sign up via your Google account or your email and password. Now I suggest you sign up via your email and password because you're going to be needing it if you're a person that's going to be using your phone for this strategy. Okay, so go ahead and sign up via your email and password, and once you sign up, you want to go ahead and download this to your device. Now if you want to download this on a computer, you can very easily download it on their download page. Just go ahead and click on download, and it's going to actually start downloading straight to your computer. Okay, now if you want to go anonymous on your phone, all you have to do is to pull up your phone,
go to your Play Store or your App Store, and once you launch your app, go ahead and search for Go Login. Okay, search for Go Login, and once you search for that, you're going to see the Go Login multi-accounting app. So go ahead and install that. Okay, this is the app you want to install. Make sure you install this app. Now once it's installing, you want to head back to your search bar and you want to search for Orbiter. Okay, so search for Orbiter for Go Login. So once you search for that, you want to go ahead and install this also. So now I'm going to give it a couple of seconds for it to install, and once it's done installing, I'm going to go ahead and launch the apps. So first thing you want to do is to launch the Go Login app, and once you launch that, it's going to obviously load up the pages. So I'm just going to proceed by logging in right here. I'm going to go ahead and click on sign in, and once I click on that, it's going to redirect me straight to the Go Login app. So basically this is the Go Login app right here. So how it works is very simple. All you have to do is to click on this plus button below here, and once you click on that, you can create your fingerprint. Okay, let's say you want to create a fingerprint. You can do like test fingerprint. After that, we can choose our operating systems from here. So let's do Windows. After that, we can add our proxies. So this is on without proxy. If you want to add a proxy, you can click on this drop down arrow, add any of these proxies. It's very easy to add these proxies. I'm going to show you that in a second here. Okay, but I'm going to leave this on without proxy because I'm just showing you as an example. So this is your time zone. You can also modify that, your WebRTC, your geolocation, and the other advanced settings. Okay, so you can very easily edit these settings. If you want to change your CPU fingerprint and RAM, you can also do that right here on the Go Login app. So once you are done, what you can do is to click on create profile, and once you create your profile, it's going to create your profile for you right here. Okay, so let's say we have our proxy, we have everything ready, and want to start self-clicking. You can very easily click on run, and once you click on that, you're going to see starting Orbiter. That's why we had to download the second app called Orbiter. Once it starts this app, we're going to go ahead and start browsing. So let me click on use without an account, and once I click on that, it's going to send me here. Obviously, I'm going to close this pop-up out, and I'm going to go ahead and search for my device details, and I'm going to search for that. So I'm going to click on one of these websites right here. Let me click on the first link. So this is a website called deviceinfo.me, and right here is showing me my computer information. So it says device type, model, desktop or laptop, operating system Windows 10, which means we are on a phone but it's displaying a computer fingerprint. If we had used a proxy, it's not going to show our actual country right here. It's going to show something else. So in your case, you want to go ahead and add a proxy. So now I'm done showing you how this works on the phone. I'm going to actually proceed by doing this on my laptop in real time and showing you how you can use this to make a lot of money for yourself.
So I'm back on my computer, and the first thing I want to do is to go ahead and launch the Go Login browser. Okay, so once I launch the browser, I want to go ahead and create an actual profile that I'm going to be using to self-click in this video. Okay, so to do that, I want to click on add profile, and once I click on that, it's going to redirect me to this page. So I want to go ahead and name my profile. Okay, so I can be like main self-click profile. After that, I want to head over to the overview and select my operating system. So for this video, I'm going to be going with the Windows operating system, but in your case, you want to choose the operating system that suits the offer that you want to self-click. Okay, after that, you want to go ahead and set your proxy. So if you want to set your proxy, you can either use spy.1 over here, or you can use ASOX proxy. But in this video, I'm going to be using ASOX proxy. So if you want to use ASOX proxy like I'm doing, you can come over here, sign up for ASOX proxy, and once you sign up, proceed by logging in. And once you log in, your interface is going to look something like this. So once you are here, yours is going to be 100% blank. Now the offer that I want to self-click is an offer from Sweden. For that, I'm going to go ahead and create a proxy server for Sweden. Okay, to create a proxy, all you have to do is very simple. Go ahead and click on create proxy port, and once you click on that, it's going to obviously redirect you to this page. Now once you are on this page, you want to select the kind of proxy you want. So for this video, I'm going to be using the residential proxy. I suggest you use this kind of proxy. It's best for self-clicking. After that, I want to go ahead and select my country. For that, I'm going to click on the drop down arrow, and once I click on that, I want to go ahead and select the country I want to choose. So in your case, if you don't see the country you want, you can click on show all countries, or you can literally search on the top right here, and you're going to see any country you want. But in my case, I have my Sweden country right here, so I'm going to go ahead and click on that. So once I click on that, it's going to load up all the cities inside of Sweden. From here, I can go ahead and click on the drop down arrow and select any of these cities I want to connect to. So I'm going to choose a random city right here, and once I click on that, it's going to load my ASN. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this drop down arrow and select a random ASN right here. I'm going to put it on this second one, and after that, they're going to ask me how many ports I want to create. You can create 10, 100 or 400 or any amount of ports you want, and with that, you can literally self-click a lot of offers and make a ton of money for yourself. So in my case, I just want one proxy, so I'm going to leave it on one. After that, I'm going to go ahead and click on create IP port, and it's going to create my IP port for me. So this is my IP port. Once I have my IP port, I want to go ahead and copy the informations on it and paste it to my Go login browser right here. So I'm going to go ahead and click on my proxy right here, and once I click on that, I want to grab my proxy IP, and once I grab that, I want to head back to go login, and I want to go ahead and add my proxy. Okay, for that I'm going to click on your proxy. The proxy I'm going to be using is a SOCKS 5 proxy, so click on the drop down arrow and put it on SOCKS 5. Okay, once you put it on SOCKS 5, you want to make sure your ASOCKS proxy is on SOCKS 5. So I'm going to cross check that, and it's actually on SOCKS 5 proxy right here. So next I'm going to go ahead and paste this obviously, and next I want to grab my port right here. So from this column part is where my port is, so I'm going to cut that and I'm going to paste that right here. Okay, so this is my port right here. Next I'm going to be needing my login and password, so it's very easy to paste that. All I need to do is to head back to our proxy site and grab my login, come over here, paste that, and grab my password as well, and come over here and paste that as well. After that, I want to go ahead and click on check proxy. Right here we have our proxy is connected to Sweden. Now we have all of this. I want you to modify one more settings right here. Okay, so click on this little arrow right here, and you want to head over to the advanced settings. Okay, this is for the pros. Okay, I'm literally showing you top tier tech stuff right here, so pay close attention. So what you want to do is to scroll down a little bit, and you want to uncheck this language that is set to your IP. Okay, because if you leave this checked, it's going to start showing you Swedish language that you don't understand. That way you cannot self-click your offers. Okay, so uncheck this, and once you uncheck this, you want to go ahead and click on create profile. Okay, so once you are done creating your profile, you want to go ahead and run your profile by clicking on run. Okay, so once it loads up your browser, this is what it's going to look like. Now I'm going to go ahead and maximize this, and I'm going to go ahead and pull up my link. Okay, so I'm going to grab my link from Google site right here once again. Come over to Google site, grab my link obviously, and head back to my browser profile. So I'm going to go ahead and paste this right here, and I'm going to click on enter. Now pay close attention, because if you don't get this, you're not going to be able to make this work. Okay, this is advanced stuff right here. Okay, so pay close attention. Now I'm going to go ahead and click on one of the Sweden offer. This is why I told you you label your offer. Okay, because if these offers are random, you're not going to know the one to click. Now because I know the last one is a Sweden offer, I can self click it the right way. So I'm going to click on the last offer, and it's going to redirect me straight to the offer page. Now this is what the offer page looks like. Once you are on this page, obviously you don't know what it's written on this page. Now if you try to right click and change the language, you're not going to be able to do that. So go ahead and click on the translate page icon on the top, and once you click on that, you want to put it on English. And once you put it on English, sometimes it's going to say this page couldn't translate. Just go ahead and click on try again, and it's going to translate the page for you immediately. So basically this is our page right here. From here we can very easily start self-clicking the offer. So it's asking me fill out the contact details and blah blah blah. Basically the gender, I want to put in man, and my name I want to be like Leo. For the surname it can be like Tom. After that you want to choose your email. Now don't put your actual email right here, because if you put your actual email, they're going to start sending you a lot of spam emails, and believe me, you're not going to be able to handle all of them. So open up a new tab right here and search for temp mail. Okay, temp mail, click on enter. So once you search for temp mail, it's going to redirect you to this page. Now go ahead and click on that, and once you click on that, you're going to be redirected straight to the temp mail website. So it's going to start generating an email for you. So you can go ahead and copy this email and use it for your self-click. Okay, if you don't like this email, you can just reload and refresh this page, and you're going to see a new email that you can use. So once we have our email, we're going to head back to our site and paste that right here for them. After that, we want to choose our date of birth right here. Okay, so I'm going to use like 2000, and I'm going to choose a random month over here. Next, I'm going to check this, indicating that I agree to the terms of policies. After that, I'm going to click on continue 100% free, and once I click on that, it's going to redirect me straight to the next page. And right here, it's going to ask us for our mobile number. So let's do random Sweden mobile number. Click on one of these websites, and we can copy this and head back to the site and paste that right here for them. So we're going to close out the spaces, because it seems they don't like the spaces. So once we have our number, we want to go ahead and choose a street name. So let's do random Sweden addresses. Click on that, and it's going to show us a bunch of random addresses, so we can literally use any of these addresses right here. I'm going to be using this one right here. I'm going to copy the street, go back and paste. After that, I want to grab a zip code, okay, and head back, paste that right here. So next we need this ORT. I'm going to head over to this site right here called bestrandom.com, copy the city, and let's go ahead and paste that in here. Okay, So basically we have our form ready. So from here we can go ahead and click on continue, and it's going to redirect me straight to the next page. So I'm going to click on Boxstar TV, choose random answers. That doesn't really matter. Let's just get to the end of the page. So we're going to get paid. Okay, so right here they told us your participation in the competition has been validated. Please confirm below to approve your participation. We're going to go ahead and click on continue, and once we click on that, it's going to redirect us to the next page. Okay, so I'm going to head back to CPA grip right here to see if we had made any money. Okay, I'm going to pull up my browser, and right here it seems you've made $4. So I'm going to go ahead and refresh that real quick, and it's still going to stay there. Okay, so as you can see, anyone can do this. You can literally follow through the steps that I've showed you and use all the free tools that I've used as well, and start getting results like this. Okay, so I've pretty much shown you all the steps. That means I'm going to wrap this video up here. So if you got any value out of this video,